Maganda kasi para makita rin ng lahat. Para hindi piling-pili yung ibig sabihin welcome lahat, no? Tsaka maganda kasi na-experience ng mga tao yung ganda ng palasyo. Maganda rin sa mga bata kasi educational. And at the same time, maraming makaka-relate kasi nakikita na nila yung palasyo. Naka-display, maganda, mailaw. Thank you nga pala kay President at pinagbigyan niya.
I didn't expect like this. It was very exciting. It's just an honor to come here. Of course, I got an invitation from my friend, but it's more than I expect. I didn't know you can show to the public. I'm so glad anyway to come here. It's another my luck to come here to see all the palaces here. How can I experience, you know? So it's very good anyway.
Siyempre, nakakatuwa kasi bukod sa libre yung rides, may free snacks. Tapos maganda rin yung surroundings dahil sa Christmas decors. Tsaka nakakapasyal yung mga bata instead na nakatambay lang sa bahay o kung saan-saan.